with holes in the bottom to hold enough soil. Put in as many or as few bell pepper seeds as needed. Mist with water and place in a spot with moderate sunlight. You know, bell peppers are very good for us, such as improving eyesight, cardiovascular health, and many other factors. So in my garden there are always colorful and beautiful peppers. The bell pepper seeds have sprouted after 7 days of incubation. Now I can start planting. Today my planting method is to use a discarded light box to grow peppers. Please note, to avoid waterlogging, the pot must always have drainage holes at the bottom. To keep the soil nutritious for the plants, I will use a certain amount of organic fertilizer mixed into the soil. Worm castings have always been my go-to plant care solution because they not only provide nutrients for plants, but also have high antibacterial properties, good metabolism, reduce insects, and are non-toxic to us. I planted 2 plants in each pot, about 25 centimeters apart, just enough space for the plants to grow. After planting, I used a bottle of coconut milk to water each plant evenly. Coconut milk not only keeps the plant moist, but also provides nutrients to the plant quickly. Once the chili plants have taken root and are about 15 centimeters tall, we will begin to care for them for the first time. I grow peppers on the balcony near my house, so I always take care of them with organic and non-toxic fertilizers. Chung ta nain, tham jat, vau tung goks, k, giup k manhon, giup trau joy, vekung kap tham din duong cho k. Sao hai moing gai toy, kei chuan birahoa, ji keiko jutaing guyen jerfa trien, toi si sudung ju luong fan bon gyun je bon fan cho ke, va chung ta luon fine ho tuoi tung ke, nuak lang guon song chin kua ke. When the tree has flowered and produced green fruit, in addition to providing nutrients for the tree, we need to prevent pests and diseases that harm the tree. When the tree has flowered and produced green fruit, in addition to providing nutrients for the tree, we need to prevent pests and diseases that harm the tree. trust me, if you do it my way, you will get good results like me. After 2 months, the bell peppers have produced big, beautiful, colorful fruits. Now, I can enjoy the fruits of my labor with my family and relatives. Thank you for visiting my video. Have a nice day.